Alright, so for some time now, I had this idea of building a marketplace desktop application where I'll be able to share my code or sell my code to people who are interested in, because I've been finding myself building a lot of Python script for making faceless channel videos. But I find it difficult. Right, so this is the tool I was talking about. So it's the name will be AI Faceless Tools. You have the tool section where this is one of the tools that I've installed already. We have the marketplace and then the settings that you can use to set your account. So when you click on the add new tool, so you can just go to the marketplace. Let's go to the marketplace. So this is how the marketplace will look like. We have a lot of tools here. These are tools with price. Some are free, and then you can go in and download. So if you look at this one, I'm having a subscription, so I can download this one. But let me go back to the account, log out, and then go back to the marketplace. So when I come here, you can see that because I'm not logged in, the tool is prompting me to either buy. So you can buy it at a one-time fee or subscribe to download unlimited number of tools. So that's just a sample. So if you let me log in again, and then we can view the subscription. So log in. Okay, so we are done logging in here. Then we can go back to the app marketplace. Okay, let me go to the subscription. So these are the available subscription. These are samples. It will change when we go live. So I'm on this subscription. So we have subscription with limited downloads per month, then some AI credit for generating content, and subscription unlimited one. That's basically the one that you get unlimited tools from the marketplace. Let's go to the marketplace. So this is how the marketplace will look like. We have okay, so we can open the tool. So this is how it looks like. You put in some recipes, and then you put in the recipe notes. Then the AI will generate the steps from the notes and then help you compile the video. So let me do a sample. Change this to my recipe page. So we have this recipe. We'll see. Okay, so we can download this one. Okay, so this is a recipe page. All you need is the notes. So these pages have the ingredients, so we need this one. You put it here. Then we need the instructions. Oh, come on, a lot of adverts. And then you add it here, and you click on generate steps. That's all. So the AI is using this. So when you download it, you configure it. So this one you have to bring your own API. And so here we are using Gemini for the test. So you have a test provide the image and the voiceover. So I'm using Gemini for all of them. I can use 11 Labs for voice as well, or OpenAI. Alright, so you can see the AI was done generating all the steps. So these are all the steps for the cooking. So you can see we have the hook. So there's a hook, there's this ingredient section and everything. So that's it. So it's done. So the next thing that you have to do is to just come here, and if you want to make changes, you can make changes, but you can just generate to the voiceover. Alright, so I speed up the video a little to generate, so you can see. So from just these notes, the AI using the voiceover and everything, I've generated all these images for the recipe. So you can see there's consistency in the images just because we are using this reference. So if you're on a cooking step and you want to refer to the last step, you can just choose it here, and then to have the image stay the same, and then when you finish you just compile it. So this is the final results. So this is how it looks like. This is the ingredient page created by the, so it gives you alright, so it's currently 1st December 12 a.m. and I've done quite a lot. On the to-do list, I've been able to fix improve the login flow. So right now you can log in right from the app, and then you can get the token automatically saved into the desktop app. But initially you have to copy and paste all those code into the desktop app, but now it's done automatically, so it's left with only few items on the to-do list. So that's what we'll be doing in the next video.